meatballs, chicken meatballs, that and red spinach. And from chicken. This is called Indo American Spanish pasta. Tomatoes and garlic little bit. Already I put it here. Yeah, I put it in low because it was too hot. Yeah, so everything is there. See, and then I put tamarind water also. Like, children make mess in the kitchen, they do make mess with the pots and pans and spoon and water and the food what we are cooking. Otherwise, it is not a cooking. We are not cooking artificial food. We are making real food. This is a red spinach. I washed and kept it. Because this pan is too big, I have five stove burner. So one stove and 5 burners. So yeah, see, this one you don't need. They say all the leaves, all the water comes out from the leaves when you cook. So don't add any water. But this is very good for your heart and immune. It is a good source of fiber. To stay in health, we need fiber, guys. See? It will get cooked for 5 minutes. एक कितना डाल அது இங்கிருந்து நல்ல போட்டுனேன் கேட்டுனே இப்போ this is chicken meatball and frying with a little garlic and olive oil. Then I'm gonna add the sauce.